Today we'll discuss another example of prepositions. In the previous video, we explained what exactly are prepositions and when and where we use them. In case you didn't watch, the link of the Part 1 is provided in the description below. Clear your concept now.
Let's go ahead.
On. When talking about places, on is used when we are speaking about a surface. Something is on the surface of something else. Oh yes. The pen stand is on the surface of the table. Let's see some other couple of examples. The papers are on the coffee table. I left the keys on the counter. We also use on when talking about time, that is, for specific dates and days. Again, let's see a couple of examples.
Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri.
Both of them were born on October 2nd. I go to the gym on Mondays and Wednesdays. Hey folks! That was part 2. Click on the I button to watch the part 1 if you haven't yet. More parts would be uploaded very soon. Drop your doubts in the comments below. Like and subscribe now to be the first one to watch the other parts. Share our videos with your friends who are confused in these concepts. Thank you.